Hi there, my name is Lottie and I'm actually one of the marketing girls here at Plush Addict. However, I can crochet and I asked Kelly if I could teach you guys how to crochet in 7 days. You can crochet along with me for 7 days. You will get an email every single day, and at the end of the course you will be able to make a crochet heart granny square, and you can make tons of these and maybe make a whole blanket. So what you will need to get started is a hook. This is a 4mm hook. You will need some stitch markers because they'll really help you beginners kind of make sure you're in the right stitch at the right time. We've got some yarn needles that you will need to make sure that you can weave in your tail ends. And you will need 2 colours of yarn. We have the burgundy and the white in the Fab DK. We also have a starter kit available which has all of the things that I just showed you, and it has 10% off for the duration of the crochet along, so make sure you grab that and then you've got everything you need and it's discounted. As a little bonus, because it's a new hobby, you'll need a new project bag. Now this project bag has been designed by Kelly with crochet in mind, but I think you could use this for kids' toys, maybe another hobby that you have. It's super roomy, it's a drawstring bag, it has mesh pockets inside, so there's great visibility there for all of your yarn and your patterns. You've got pockets on the side as well, huge pocket here, and then you can put your hooks in these slimmer pockets, and you can kind of tailor it to you. You know what hooks you have, you know what space you need for your hobby. There's pockets at the back as well. It's got these really cute grab handles, and the best thing I love about it is this really cute stitch marker holder. I'm forever digging in the bottom of my bag, my little pencil case that I have my hooks in, for the stitch markers, and this little ring to keep your stitch markers on is so cute. So to get this sewing pattern so you can make your very own, you just have to buy something from the crochet and knitting store on Plush Addict, and you will get this pattern winging its way to your inbox, and then you can make one of your own before the crochet along starts. Even if you've tried before, I promise I can help every step of the way. And if you can't make it on the 13th of September for that particular week, there will be a blog series uploaded to our blog, and the YouTube series will be available forever. So even if you get behind, it will always be online, completely free for you to join in and dip in and out whenever you like. The Facebook community is already such a welcoming, warm, encouraging community, so make sure you join Plush Crochet-along on Facebook. So I hope you can join me on the 13th of September, where you'll get your first email as long as you sign up via the link in the description. I will be with you every step of the way, so don't worry, and there will be video tutorials to help as well. So I will see you for your first lesson on Monday the 13th of September.